Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in HarborOne Mortgage account online. First and foremost, to log in, make sure you have your account on HarborOne Mortgage. If you do, then to log in, open your preferred web browser. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then, in the search box or URL box, you may type in HarborOneMortgage.com. This will take you to the official website. From the main homepage, scroll down and click on the Apply for Loan button. This will open a new page. If you already have an account and have previously applied for a loan, you can click on the Sign In button below the Text tab. You can enter your login credentials here. You will now need to enter your email address in the first text tab. Once done, you will now have to enter your correct password on the second text tab. If you forget your password, click on Forgot Your Password under the Sign In button. After making sure that you have filled in your correct login credentials, you may click on Sign In. You will then be logged into your HarborOne Mortgage account. This is how you can easily log into your HarborOne Mortgage account online. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.